How to show only last seen in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp, log into your account. Simply click on You and then see your last seen from another phone. Another phone is not accessible to me, so I won't be able to show. After that, go back and turn off your Wi-Fi. After you've turned off your Wi-Fi, simply open WhatsApp and then type any message and send it to another person. After you've done that, simply close the WhatsApp app and turn on Wi-Fi again. After you've turned on Wi-Fi, simply it will be sent and your last seen will also be stopped. This is how to show only last seen in WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.